you for joining me today to talk.
Thanks for having me.
We're talking today about the ISPCP, which is the Internet Service Providers and Connectivity Providers constituency. So what is the mission of the ISPCP?
So the ISPCP stands for Internet Service Providers and Connectivity Providers. We're part of the CSG, the Commercial Stakeholder Group, and we belong to the non-contracted party house, as we call it, the NCPH. In terms of mission, broadly speaking, it is to safeguard the interests of the ISPCPs and the connectivity providers. We contribute to the various projects within ICANN, the working groups, the PDPs, to make sure that moving forward we have a stable internet in general and a stable DNS and domain name system in particular.
And who are the members of your group?
So we have a variety of members. We have large internet or telecoms operators from all regions. We have people like BT, Orange, Telefonica. We also have connectivity providers or associations of ISPs. We have people like ETNO, the European Network Operator Association. We have I2 Coalition, ECO, all of whom are very active within the constituency. In terms of criteria, if people would like to join, they have to demonstrate that they provide an internet service to customers directly or to enterprises or even to operators. They also have to demonstrate, as we belong to the GNSO, that the work of the GNSO is of importance to them, and they can reasonably commit to working within the constituency on a regular basis.
And what sorts of issues do you focus on?
So, as it relates to our mission, and generally speaking, we can certainly talk about today's issues, but in general, we focus on everything that might affect the way DNS resolvers or authoritative servers would work. Everything that relates to collisions, for instance, to the way we handle whois data. So all of these things that might affect the way we operate our networks and the way we relate to our customers as well is of importance to us.
Thanks. And what advice do you have for newcomers to the ICANN community and to the ISPCP?
So for the ISPCP in particular, I would certainly encourage people to have a look at our website. It's ispcp.info. You can find everything about the criteria. It's free of charge, so people are welcome, whatever the size of the association or the operator. Their opinion and positions are of importance to us. I think the size doesn't matter. It's what I would call the weight of the argument that is of importance. So have a look at the website and see whether you can meet the criteria and commit to the work as well. For a newcomer in general within ICANN, I think that will be a balance between do your homework first. I think it's for things that are going on for a number of years. If you want to join, it's sometimes a bit tricky to join a rolling train. So we have all sorts of recorded materials, notes, etc. So I would encourage a newcomer to go through that first and do their homework before joining or in the course of joining a working group. Now, once you've done that, I think it's fair to say that there is no dumb question. Feel free to ask them, not to revisit the decisions or rehash the debates, but I think any questions is welcome, so people shouldn't be shy in asking them.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for having me.